We have 4 plus 5 to the power of 0 times 6 all over divided by 2. Okay, so 4 plus 5 to the power of 0 equals 0. But this is not correct. Why? Because any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 equals 1 according to the exponent rule, right? So 5 to the power of 0 equals 1 times 6 all over divided by 2. Now 4 plus 1 times 6. Now multiplication must be done before addition, right? So multiply first. 6 times 1. 4 plus 1 times 6 equals 6 all over divided by 2. Now 4 plus 6 equals 10 divided by 2, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5.